lovelies. I've got some Madam Glam today. So 3 things. There's the PR to show you the swatches. So I've got these 4 colours here. I'm going to do a set of nails, and I've also going to do a quick giveaway of these little minis. So yeah, just for the UK, I'm afraid, because I'm sending gels, but I want to put those minis in it. So I'm going to use this box to send it, because it's the nice spongy box. But like I say, sending overseas these gels, it's not good. You've got to have special agreements and things to send gels, which the companies have, but I haven't. Now, these 2 are very autumny colours I've picked, which is Sweet Chamomile and Night on Mars. This is the Korean formula, and this is the regular Madam Glam formula. So as you can see, they've both got the 21 free, HEMA free, and they're the ingredients if you want to screenshot those. Just trying to do it without a light on them. And these 2, so I'll swatch those. These 2 I've already swatched last time. This is Love Bond, again Korean, and this, which is beautiful, this is Strawberry Milk. So these 2 I did in the last video. So that's just Strawberry Milk. So it's got a very tiny sort of amount of glisten to it. It's lovely. And Love Bond, they look beautiful together. So when I realised what I'd ordered, I thought, oh no, I've already got those. So I'm going to do them as a giveaway. So keep watching, I'll come back and sort something out with those. But let's get these swatches done first. So I'll start with this Sweet Chamomile. It's a very subtle orange, I suppose you'd call it tan. Like a tan colour. Very autumn. Oh, stop stroking it. So that's that one. And then this one, Night on Mars. So a glittery one, I think this. Or textured, I'm not sure yet. Oh yes. Oh yes, glitter. Oh, it's a very bronze colour. Very coppery bronze. There, beautiful. That's lovely for autumn leaves. Wow. What's it got in it? It's very sort of copper coloured, copper, bronze, whatever. And it's got greeny blue, little holographic, tiny specks in and gold. Yeah, really pretty. You see it. So I'll give these 2 coats. So here they are. So we've got Strawberry Milk, Love Bond, Sweet Chamomile, and Life. No, not Life. Night. Night on Mars. So they're actually really nice together, aren't they? But I'm going to do a set with these, and I might bring some other colours in. But these 2 are the ones that are going into this little giveaway. So I'll show you the other colours as well. I've got 5 little minis. Not all of these are still available, to be honest. I think these 2 are, and I've ordered these in a bigger bottle. So I thought I'll put these in as well. So this is Behind the Scenes, which is a beautiful dark blue. Well, bluey purple. Deep Sea Dream, which is like a very dark teal. It's a gorgeous colour. So that one. They're just little 7mm pots. But if you've not tried Madam Glam before, it'll give you a chance to try them. Plum Addict. I looked this up and I couldn't see this on there at all in any size. That's another lovely plummy purple. So Rodeo Drive, which is a very vibrant, it looks great with that purple as well. Very vibrant colour. I've only used them for swatches, maybe one set. And this one's a glitter. This is It's Not You, It's Me. And this is a gold glitter. So yeah, we should make some nice sets out of that. So I'm going to pop all of these into this little box. There we go. So little UK, little thank you. It's got to be subscribers. Thank you giveaway. So yeah, I'll let you know in a bit what you need to do. So I've actually got some tips ready. I've got some sort of medium length coffin tips together. And with these colours that I got today, I've also brought these in, so I thought these would go nicely. I've got Day Star, which is also a sort of peachy colour, on my brown, and Smelly Cat, which is my favourite sort of cream coloured one. And I've done myself a little bit of a drawing today. I don't always, but I thought I ought to because I've got so many colours going on. And I'm going to have a go at painting some leopard print. I've got so many leopard print foils and stuff like that, stickers and that I don't think I've ever actually tried painting them. So I'm going to have a go today. So should we start with the easiest? Yes, so this little finger is going to be completely Night on Mars. Oh, I'll just base coat them all. And while I do that, I'll tell you. No, if I can find base coat. No, where is it? Right, I found my base coat. While I base coat all these, I'll just tell you. So, if you want to try that Madam Glam that I've got, just leave me a comment below, and we better put Enter Me UK just so that you've confirmed that you are in the UK and you understand that. I'm afraid that's all we're available to today. There will be other giveaways coming up, and I will make sure I've got some for overseas, but as you can imagine, postage costs, and I tend to not send gels when it's going abroad. Some of the couriers don't mind it so much, others aren't really bad about it, so I'd hate to be sending them out and they get stopped. But one of the main reasons is I like the overseas ones to be a large letter size, because otherwise they cost more than the stuff's actually worth. Yeah, so I'll do another giveaway later in the year. But just put Enter Me UK. If you pop over and have a look at, well, I'll put at Madam Glam Official in the description box. So if you could follow them on Instagram and everything. But just make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this is a sort of paying it forward. And a thank you to all you lovelies for watching. So this base coat's still got 30 on it, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm running out. It's always something, isn't there? Yeah, so I'm going to have a go at doing some leopard on it with an abstract sort of half smile line as well. Right, so I've changed my mind already. I'm not using that. It's too neon. So I've changed to this, which is No Rules. So this is going to be the second colour instead of the base colour now, because it's darker than this colour, than this sweet chamomile. So I'm going to do this as the background. So only halfway down the nail. With a nice long liner. Twist. That's it. We're all in, so just ever so slightly left of centre. That's it. There we go, so 2 coats of that. So while that's in, I'll just give this a second coat. Whether I'll paint anything on top of this or leave it, I'm not sure yet. But I do like to have an odd fingernail that's just glitter. So I've just done the ring finger the same but the opposite way around. And it's going to be harder to paint. I've got dark brown granite at the top and Smelly Cat at the bottom. So it's going to be harder to paint Smelly Cat over the top of brown than the other way around. So I'm going to put Smelly Cat down there first. Instead of trying to meet them up, I'm going to paint one over the other. So. There we go. So same on the other one and 2 coats. Now, this might take a couple of wipes. I might not get it right first time. But I'm just going to do some on my brown. And a slightly shorter brush. So I don't know whether this is going to work for me or not. Because it's a bit thicker, so we'll see how it goes. Now I'm going to do these spots with no rules. So I'm going to do this on my brown around this, but I'm going to use a dotting tool. Some of the marks around them look like dots, don't they? Right, so they're all together. So I've got the no rules in the middle of that, so I want to bring that in. So I'm going to do the index finger in that no rules. And I think I'll have this one in the brown. So I just want to bring some gold into this. So this gold gel paint, I am going to put some on the bottom. I don't know what's this brush I've picked out, but it's gone stiff. And I want to feather it up. So I'll use my ombre, that might be easier. Shall I feather it up? Yeah. Just like that. So I was just going to show you the finished set all top coated, but I decided to make a couple of changes. So I've put some stones, some like soft gold stones onto these. One's a bit like a colour, and then I want with a little bit more. On the two with the French, I've added a bit more gold and some stones. And on this one, I've buffed it. I decided it needed a little bit more. So I'm just going to do some sort of Regency stripes in the gold. So they'll just show up in a subtle way against that glitter. But I've top coated it and buffed it first. Just to bring that vertical aspect into the rest of the set. Yeah. And these, look, I've finished off that line. I've taken it all the way to the top, and I've put 2 or 3 stones in the middle. So that'll be those finished, and I've just had some top coats. I'll show you them in the box. So here they are, they're finished. I just switched out these 2 middle ones for slightly different colour ranges. So I've left the others outside ones the same. So they're all done. So thank you very much, Madam Glam, for sending me these. And don't forget, if you're in the UK and you want to try these Madam Glam polishers, so we've got the 5 minis and the 2 full-size ones. And all you need to do is to make sure you're subscribed. You need to press the bell, and I'd love it if you all press the bell anyway, so you know when I notify when I upload. And I'll leave it about a week and then I'll pull the draw. So thank you. This time UK only, and just put enter me UK. Leave that comment and subscribe, and I'll send it through to somebody. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.